Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. In this video we are going to introduce books of nuclear physics. Okay. In this video we are going to introduce books of nuclear physics. Okay. Dear students, this is the first book of nuclear physics. Actually, dear students, to the extent of nuclear physics, all general physics books, which usually consist of 40 to 45 pages, all general physics books definitely include modern physics. Out of these 40 to 45 chapters, all about last 10 chapters belong to modern physics, and in modern physics nuclear physics is always included. Okay, so to the extent of nuclear physics, all general physics books are also very helpful. Moreover, all books on the topic modern physics are more helpful than general physics books, because in modern physics books much more material about nuclear physics is given than material about nuclear physics in the general physics books. Okay, so this list of nuclear physics books is relatively small, because we have not to rely only on these books. Okay, before coming to these books we have to make ourselves fully fully capable of understanding the contents given in general physics books. Okay, general physics books mean books like Resnick Holiday, Gerald Walker, Young Friedman, Raymond Survey, John Jute, Douglas C. Giancoli, Hans C. Ohanian, Andrew Rex, Stephen T. Thornton, etc. Okay, similarly, all modern physics books are also very important regarding nuclear physics contents. Okay, all modern physics books like Paul A. Tipler, Andrew Rex, and Stephen T. Thornton, Randy Harris, Moyer Moses, Kenneth Crane, Arthur Weiser, etc. Okay, so that is why our list of nuclear books is relatively small. Okay, so this is the first book, second edition, Introduction to Nuclear and Particle Physics. Okay, dear students, actually this is two in one package. Okay, nuclear and particle physics. It means this book will be included in two list of books. Okay, list of nuclear physics books and list of particle physics books. Okay, two in one package. Okay, its author is A. Das and T. Faribault. Okay, perhaps A. Das may be an Indian author, while T. Faribault seems to be some other English writer. Okay, now we move to next page. Introduction to Nuclear and Particle Physics, second edition. Introduction to Nuclear and Particle Physics, second edition, A. Das and T. Farbel. World Scientific is its publisher. Okay, now copyright. First published 2003 and then reprinted in 2004 and 5. Okay. Now we come towards its contents. Preface was written and signed in June 2003. Okay, now we come towards its contents. Okay, contents: Rutherford scattering, nuclear phenomenology, nuclear phenomenology. Okay, nuclear models, nuclear radiation, gamma decay. No, nuclear radiation, applications of nuclear physics. Okay, applications of nuclear physics, energy deposition in media, energy deposition in media, particle detection, accelerators, properties and interactions of elementary particles, symmetries, discrete transformations, neutral kaons oscillations and CP violation, formulation of the standard model and confrontation with data beyond the standard model. Okay, and index is given at page number 395. Okay, now we open next book, which consists of 419 pages, and its author, its title is Elements of Nuclear Physics, while its author is W.E. Burkham. Anyhow, we open this book and try to pronounce this name. Okay, W.E. Burkham or Burcham, Burcham. Okay, Burcham or Burkham. Elements of Nuclear Physics. W.E. Burkham, Burcham or Burkham. Okay, Elements of Nuclear Physics, W.E. Burcham or Burkham. We reduce its size. Okay, now Elements of Nuclear Physics, W.E. Burcham, FRS. Longman is its publisher. Okay, Longman is its publisher, and this book was published in the year 1979. Okay, first published in 1979. Now we come towards its contents. Okay, introduction, radioactivity, radiations, particles and interactions. The interaction of particles and gamma radiation with matter. Some apparatus of nuclear physics. The two-body system. Nuclear mass, nuclear size and nuclear matter. The single particle shell model and nuclear moments. Nuclear deformations and the unified model. The electromagnetic interaction, the weak interaction, the strong interaction, and then appendix and index is given at page number 400. Okay, dear students, next book is again same book which we opened last time. Okay, the only difference is that there is a difference of one page. Okay, the book which we opened last time consists of 419 pages, while the book which we are now going to open consists of 420 pages. Okay, so definitely first page will seem to have been omitted in one of these two books. Moreover, printing condition may also be different. However, it is quite clear and no doubt that it will be the same edition. Okay, because difference of one page cannot make much more changes. Okay. Yes, students, perhaps some mistake has occurred in the software in the okay. Anyhow, we again open and see whether that problem exists or not. Okay, nuclear physics books, this was the okay dear students, this is the same book which we opened previously. The only difference is that here it's a number of pages in the soft format are 420. Okay, moreover, first page is different from the first page of previous book. Okay, which was in red color and this is in green. Okay, moreover, it is written low priced edition. Okay, ELBS, low priced edition. Now we actually dear students, this has not been opened in proper. Okay, this is first page, elements of nuclear physics, W.E. Burcham or Burcham, FRS. Okay, ELBS, Longman is the publisher and copyright of 79. Okay, to this extent there is no difference between this book and previous book. Okay dear students, we do not go in its contents. Okay, because its contents are the same which we visited in the last book. Okay, now we open next book which consists of 515 pages, fundamentals of nuclear physics. Okay, fundamentals of nuclear physics, fundamentals of nuclear physics, Polytechnique. Dear students, its authors seem to be three in number. Okay, and their names are slightly different from usual foreign names. Okay, Jean Louis Basdivant, James Rich. Okay, this name is very simple, James Rich. Michael Spiro. Okay, once again, Jean Louis Basdivant, Jean Louis Basdivant, Jean Louis Basdivant, James Rich, Michael Spiro. Okay, fundamentals in nuclear physics from nuclear structure to cosmology. Okay, so here once again, dear students, this book may also be included in two types of list of books. Okay, not only in the list of nuclear physics books but also in the list of cosmology books. Okay, dear students, sometimes cosmology is offered as a separate course. Sometimes it is combined with relativity. Okay, relativity and cosmology, and sometimes cosmology is combined with astrophysics. Anyhow, this is a separate discussion. We do not say further. Okay, now dear students, 2005. Okay, this book was published in the year 2005. Its preface was written in April 2005. Okay, April 2005. Now we come towards its contents. Basic concepts in nuclear physics. Okay, nuclear models and stability. Nuclear models and stability. Nuclear models and stability. Nuclear reactions. Nuclear reactions, nuclear decays and fundamental interactions, radioactivity, and all that dot dot dot. Fission, fusion, nuclear astrophysics, nuclear cosmology. Okay, and index is given at page number 511. Okay, now we open next. Oh yes, here one thing, next book is by Kenneth Crane. Okay, introductory nuclear physics, consisting of 862 pages in soft format. Okay, not hard copy format. Okay, it, when I say that number of pages in soft format and hard format are different, it means this book consists of 862 pages in soft format. It means the number of the page number which is printed on each page at the bottom, on right corner, or on the top at right corner, or in the middle, does not correspond with this number. Okay, the last page number of book in hard printed form will be different from this number. Okay, so we are going to open Introductory Nuclear Physics by Kenneth Crane, Kenneth S. Crane, which has 862 pages in soft format. Okay, moreover, dear students, here one thing needs to be emphasized, that this writer is very high calibered. Okay, actually the most famous general physics book which is most famously known as Holiday, Resnick, Journal Walker, that book is now available in 11th edition. Okay, while it's in its earlier editions this author was present. Okay, but in later editions this writer was excluded, and other authors took place. Okay, so this author is also present in the earlier editions of the most famous book which is taught all over the world, fundamentals of physics extended by Holiday, Resnick, Gerald Walker. In the earlier editions of that book, this author was present. Okay, moreover, this author has also written a book, Modern Physics, of which three editions have yet been published. Okay, perhaps its third edition of Modern Physics by Kenneth S. Crane was published in the year 2012. Okay, so dear students, because author is the same, author of this book, that is Introductory Nuclear Physics, and author of Modern Physics by Kenneth S. Crane, author is the same, so definitely we can assume that enough study material from the book Modern Physics by Kenneth Crane may be overlapped or reused in this book, or enough study material from this book might have been overlapped or reused in the Modern Physics book by the same author, Kenneth S. Crane. Okay, so this is a separate discussion. We do not okay, yes, yes. Introductory Nuclear Physics, Kenneth S. Crane. Okay, John Wiley and Sons is the publisher. Okay, copyright 1988. Okay, copyright 1988. Copyright 1988. Preface. Its preface was written and signed in February 8, 1987. Okay, now we come towards its contents. Okay, basic nuclear structure, basic concepts, elements of quantum mechanics, nuclear properties, the force between nucleons. Okay, nuclear models, nuclear decay and radioactivity, radioactive decay, detecting nuclear radiations, alpha decay, beta decay, gamma decay, nuclear reactions, neutron physics, nuclear fission, nuclear fusion, accelerators, extensions and applications, nuclear spin and moments, meson physics, particle physics, nuclear astrophysics, applications of nuclear physics, and then index is given at page number 835. Okay, dear students, next book consists of 549 pages, and this is once again by Crane. We open this book. Okay, dear students, the book which we opened last time consists of 862 pages. Okay, and this book is written by Kenneth S. Crane, while next book also seems having been written by the same author, that is Crane, but it has only 549 pages. Okay, now we see what is the matter with this difference of page numbers. Okay, Introductory Nuclear Physics, Kenneth S. Crane. It has 549 pages in soft format. Okay, John Wiley and Sons. John Wiley and Sons. Copyright 1988. preface. Its preface was also written in 1987 February. Basic elements. I think, dear students, I do not go in its contents, but I have not understood. Yes, dear students, here once again index is given at page number 835. Okay, this is now situation has become clear. As per this book, its index is given at page number 835, while this book consists of total number of pages 549. So we can assume that something will be definitely intentionally omitted from this version. Okay, so matter has already been solved, and we need not to bother about this difference in the page numbers. Okay, now Irving Kaplan. Dear students, this book consists of 783 pages. 783 pages. Nuclear physics. Nuclear physics by Irving Kaplan. Irving Kaplan. Nuclear physics by Irving Kaplan. Addison Wesley is its publisher. 8th printing in 1977. Okay, copyright 1962. Copyright of 1962, while 8th printing in 1977. Okay, its preface written in June 1964 or 54, anyhow. Printing quality is relatively poor. Then again in January 1962. Now we come towards its contents. Okay, dear students, this is a very old edition. Definitely this edition might be available in better printing condition in market. Okay, usually such newly typed, newly printed edition is presented in market under the name Kindle edition. Okay, anyhow, we see its contents. Okay, the chemical foundations of atomic theory, atoms, electrons and radiations, the nuclear atom, X-rays and atomic structures. Okay, structure. The quantum theory of radiation, the special theory of relativity, atomic spectra and atomic structure, the nucleus, the constitution of the nucleus, isotopes, natural radioactivity and the laws of radioactive transformation, artificial nuclear disintegration, artificial nuclear disintegration. Okay, disintegration means antonym of integration. Integration means consolidation, disintegration means separation. Okay, artificial radioactivity, alpha decay, beta decay, gamma rays and gamma decay, nuclear reactions, nuclear forces and nuclear structure, special topics and applications. Okay, neutron physics, nuclear fission, nuclear energy sources, the acceleration of charged particles, and then index is given at page number 759. Okay, this book is also considered as very basic level nuclear physics book. Okay, but for this purpose we need to find better printing better printing condition book. Okay, dear students, here this is again two in one package, nuclear and particle physics. Okay, so this book will not be included in the list of nuclear physics books, but also it will be included in the list of particle physics books. Okay, its author is Brian R. Martin, Brian, Brian R. Martin, Nuclear and Particle Physics, an Introduction. Its publisher is Wiley. Its number of pages are 415 in soft format. Okay, Nuclear and Particle Physics, 2006 copyright. Okay, this book was published in the year 2006. 2006. Okay, Nuclear and Particle Physics, B. R. Martin, John Wiley and Sons. Now we come towards its contents. Okay, physical constants and conversion factors, basic concepts, nuclear phenomenology, particle phenomenology, experimental methods, quark dynamics, the strong interaction, electroweak interactions, models and theories of nuclear physics, applications of nuclear physics, outstanding questions and future prospects. Then index is given at page number 401. Okay, index is given at page number 401. Then Kilmove, nuclear physics and nuclear reactors, pages 417. Okay, pages 417. Okay, dear students, its author name is A. Klimov, 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 A. Klimov or A. Klimov. Okay, A. Klimov or A. Klimov, nuclear physics and nuclear reactors, nuclear physics and nuclear reactors, Mir Publishers, Moscow, MIR Publishers, Moscow. A. Klimov, nuclear physics and nuclear reactors. A. Klimov, nuclear physics and nuclear reactors, translated from the Russian by O. Rudnitskaya. Okay, this person has translated this book from Russian language. Okay, 1975. Okay, English translation by Mir Publishers, 1975. Now we come towards its contents. Okay, atomic structure and elementary particles, physical properties of atomic nuclei, nuclear transformations, interaction of moving particles with matter, moderation and diffusion of neutrons, nuclear reactor, physical progress in actual reactors, materials, biological shielding, reactors and atomic power plants, and index is given at page number 401. Okay, 401. Now next book, nuclear physics, John Lilly pages 401. Okay, 401 pages book. This book consists of 401 pages in soft format. Okay, soft format. Nuclear physics principles and applications, John Lilly. Lilly or Lilly. Okay, nuclear physics principles and applications, John Lilly or John Lilly. Wiley is its publisher. Wiley is its publisher. Okay, nuclear physics. J.S. Lilly. Nuclear physics principles and applications. This book was published in the year 2001, copyright. Okay, anyhow, anyhow, anyhow. Now we contents. Now we come to its contents. Okay, part 1, principles. Introduction and basic concepts. Nuclear structure, nuclear instability, nuclear reactions, instrumentation and applications, interaction of radiation with matter, detectors and instrumentation, thermonuclear fusion, and then index is given at page number 385. Okay, 385. Next book consists of 770 pages, and again this book is from the same author which we have opened 2 books. Okay, Burcham or Burkham. Okay, here we see why 770 pages. Okay, dear student, this is the book which consists of 770 pages. Okay, Burkham and Jobs. So here one author has been added. Okay, in previous books which we opened in the early part of this video, Jobs was not available as a co-author. Okay, nuclear and particle physics, meaning thereby 2 in 1 package, not only included in the list of nuclear physics but also in particle physics list. Okay, nuclear and particle physics, W.E. Burcham and M. Jobs. Okay, okay. This Longman is the publisher, and this book was published in the year 1995. Now we come toward its contents. Okay, the atomic nucleus. The atomic nucleus. Now we general properties of nuclei, nuclear models, decay of unstable nuclei, nuclear reactions, subnuclear physics, an overview, symmetry transformations and conservation laws, hadron spectroscopy, the quark model, wave interaction, the standard model, beyond the standard model, a brief survey. Index is given at page number 746, and this is the end of our list of books of nuclear physics. In the next video we will introduce books of solid state physics. Till then, Allah Hafiz.